What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Well, it's not a cooking video today. It's actually a product review. So another product has fallen into my lap. I honestly don't know I didn't know anything about this product. It's a knife. It's called the GrandKnife. And person hit me up on email, said he thought my channel would do well with this. So I said, sure, I'll do a review and I'll do a video featuring it. So that's what we're doing today. Well, this is the review, is the unboxing. Now, you know me. If I don't like something, I'm going to tell you I don't like it. But if I like it, I'll tell you I like it. So, here's the review of the GrandKnife. Now, this is a cleaver, I believe. We'll see it. Like I said, I don't know much about it at all. So we're going to unbox it and we're going to see together. So let's get started. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the GrandKnife review. Here's the knife. Looks like it's a nice packaging. Packaged up nicely. Like I said, this is a GrandKnife. I don't know anything about the company, so this is truly going to be an honest review. So let's open them up. Alright, let's see how we get this thing open. Okay. Oh man, it's a really nice box. It's got the little logo on it. It says GrandKnife there. Oh, it's a really nice box. I'm digging that. I gotta say, it's a plus. The box is heavy too, but I gotta say this packaging is nice. So what is this here? We got, looks like this is a sheath for it. Nice plastic sheath. It's hard. Put this over here. What is this here? Looks like a magnet for a refrigerator, just saying GrandKnife. It's a nice touch. I like it. I really do. I like that. And what's this here? Okay, so he's got little instructions in here about the different type of knives that this is. Now, I believe this is not the Pro Series. This is just the, what do they call it? The Galaxy Series, I believe. So this is the Galaxy Series. Looks like this is an 8-inch cleaver, I believe. Nice packaging, nice information in there. That's good to have because I don't know anything about the company. But here's the knife. Let's take it out. If we can get it out. Okay, it's got a nice little guard on here. And here's the box that it came in. We'll get rid of that. Get rid of the guard that's on here. Now, like I said, I didn't know anything about this knife at all. It looks like it's a Damascus type finish here, or hand hammered finish. It's got the logo and it's got the name printed right on the knife. Now, I didn't know anything about these knives at all. Like I said, I went online and I looked. You can get them from Amazon. They're like $30. And I gotta tell you that right now this is a heavy knife. It's nice and heavy. Seems to be balanced pretty nicely for $30. I mean, I wouldn't complain right now, but the truth is in the chopping. So, and he's got a really nice edge on it. Let's see how long that edge stays. But I'll be honest with you guys, this is a nice knife. Looks like it's a through handle and it's got a little emblem here on the handle where a pin goes through. It's heavy. Hey man, I'm gonna be honest with you. So far I'm liking this knife, and you know I'm not gonna give you a bogus review. So far I like it. I'm gonna cut up an onion with it. I'm gonna see what it's like. I don't have any meat to cut up. I got some onions and carrots and stuff. And then in the video that I'm gonna feature, I'll cut up the pork loin that's in it. I'm gonna feature this in a pork loin video. But wow, nice, very nice. It's a nice chic finish too. Handle's nice. Well, let me grab an onion. So we got an onion here. I'm gonna do a nice thin slice. Wow, super sharp. Super sharp. Cuts it like butter. I gotta tell you, that's nice. That is super nice. Let me cut the other rest of this onion up here. Wow. I'm impressed, guys. I'll be honest with you. I'm totally impressed so far. The one thing I really do want to find out is how long that it retains an edge. So I might do a follow-up video after I've used this for a few weeks. It's really nicely balanced. And this is $29, $30. It might be $39. Let me put it this way. It's under 60 bucks. I don't know exactly the price. Like I said, I don't know anything about the company. But GrandKnife, this is a nice knife. I like it. Let me put my onions over here. I'm going to cut up some carrots real quick. Now all of these are going to be in my video for my pork loin. So those will be the vegetables for that pork loin. So let me cut up some carrots here. Grab a couple. Nice. Nice. Like butter. Cuts through it like butter. Wow. Super, super sharp. Still retaining a nice sharp edge. Oh man, it's making easy work of this carrot. Wow. Hey guys, GrandKnife is a nice knife. So I got 3 more carrots I'm going to cut up here with a cleaver. Oh, makes easy work of it, I'm telling you. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I really like this cleaver. Nice. Easy work of carrots. Cut up my celery here. Like I said, this is all going to be in my pork loin video, so you'll see that. These are going to be rough chops. Beautiful. Look at that. Like butter. Oh my God. This knife might be a game changer. Might be giving Dale Strong a run for his money. And you know I like my Dale Strong. Alright, let's cut up a couple potatoes here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I really like this cleaver so far. As long as it retains an edge for a while, I can't complain about this. The GrandKnife, I'm going to put the link where you can get this on Amazon in the description. So all you gotta do is go down there and click it. It'll take you right to the website, and you can purchase one of these. Like I said, I don't know exactly the price. I believe it's roughly $40, $39, something like that. And I could be wrong. Fits nicely in the sheath. Protection from your hands. It's got the little booklet that comes with it. I think this is a magnet. Put it on my refrigerator. But so far, guys, thumbs up. Thumbs up for the GrandKnife. But I'm going to tell you, don't let the price fool you. So far, this knife has done wonders, and it's just as good as any of those other knives. But hey, guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and hey, go pick one of these up. This is Big Tone signing off. Peace.